Welcome back, everybody, to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been searching for the best deals going on right now from Renogy, and I found this Renogy 2000W 12V pure sine wave inverter, which is a really good size for 12V batteries. You really don't need anything too much bigger than 2000 watts, in my opinion, because you don't really get too much more out of these battery systems as far as amperage goes. So this is a really ideal inverter. It's got pure sine wave built right in, and the price is really low right now. And you get an additional discount using my promo code AdventureTech. Use the links in the comments or description if you're in a hurry, and you can get right over this page, get that deal, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So let's take a closer look at this inverter and see what it can offer. So this is a 2000W 12V pure sine wave inverter. Pure sine wave means that it's going to be safe for a lot of your devices. It's not going to cause any damage to sensitive things. And you get 90% plus conversion efficiency, instant transfer time. So this has UPS built right in, less than 10 milliseconds. So you can get this set up where the power goes out, this turns on quick, so quick you won't even realize. And it's got 6,000 watt peak power. For a 2000 watt inverter, that is very high. That means that things with high inductive loads like air conditioners are going to be able to work with this. Not going to have any interruptions. Really high compatibility with batteries, and it's got grid-like AC power. We're talking that pure sine wave is going to be just like the power in your home. And we got effortless surge handling. That 6,000 watt peak power is very, very impressive, and you're getting that for a very low price. Explicit side panel design. Now these are very nice to have. It is a specific type of design, and it does have the RJ11 ports in it, battery temperature sensor port, dry contact relay port, fans, DC negative battery terminals there, and it's got DC positive terminal on the other side, inverter input protection breaker, inverter output protection breaker, main power terminal switch, main power switch terminal block, and AC input and AC output terminals. Very, very easy, straightforward design, and it includes everything that you need. Inverter wired remote control and intelligent LCD panel display built right in. Stay informed about your system status, input-output power information, ensuring optimal energy management and a seamless off-grid experience. Now, this is important because when you're able to pay attention to your power, you're going to be able to use it a lot more efficiently. Definitely ideal for RVs and different off-grid overlanders and things like that. And right now it's $200 off, and you can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that on this or any other products from Renogy going on right now. So definitely take advantage. Use the links in the comments or the description to get right over this page. Get that good deal, help support my channel at the same time, which I do appreciate very much. I'm going to be highlighting all the best deals going on from Renogy. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most importantly, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over to these limited deals.